So really, when you think about the kind of things you need to get started, it's probably the most cheap and accessible hobby there is. All you need to get started is a sketchbook and a pencil or a pen. That's it. That's all you need. No fancy equipment there. This is also the baseline kit that I always go out when I'm hiking, right? If I want to do something specific like work with color pencils or watercolors, okay, then I can add on to my baseline kit. But the idea is to have something that's modular to suit your needs, so you're not taking all this extra stuff with you that's just going to stay in the bag anyway. Same thing, like if you're more of a naturalist and you want to collect specimens and look at things under a microscope, great, you can totally bring that. But the idea is to only bring things that you're going to use. So sketchbook, pencil, and pen are my go-tos for my baseline kit.